You guys, man, welcome back to the channel. Look, I know you guys haven't seen me in a minute. That ain't gonna happen again. All right, you guys. So in this video, man, I will be addressing some things. I did lose a fender flare, and I'm gonna show you guys why I did. And also, as a part that I got from Widebody kits. Now, I'm not trying to bash the company or anything like that, but I literally bolted this thing on securely, even better with the screws, and this thing flew off. It flew off. I was topped out at like 120 going down the freeway racing somebody, and the damn splitter, I'm about to show you guys what it looked like. The damn splitter literally just, all I heard was like the junk just flew off completely. And let me just show you guys. So there's another thing. If you guys wondering why I got a template, that's because I got a new license plate with a different name on it that I'm waiting to come in the mail. I lost my rear diffuser. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not bashing Vicris or anything, but for some odd reason, that rear diffuser was not clipping in. It was not clipping into the Widebody kit. I don't know if the rear diffuser was defective or it wasn't molded right or whatever the case is, but I had got another rear diffuser from Extreme on, no, I had got a new front splitter, but I'm gonna also get another rear diffuser for this Dodge Charger because EOS is a good product, and I'm gonna show you guys and explain to you guys exactly why EOS is a good product. Now, a lot of people say that you gotta cut your fenders right here. So this is the problem right here. If you guys see, this is JB Weld, okay? So if you look right here on my tires, you can see where it was like eating up. But I feel like my rear suspension is bad because this thing bounces a lot. So that's how I'm feeling that my shocks are bad, and I'm gonna have to replace those. Now we're gonna go over to the front. So off the rip, you guys can see what the issue is already. All right. Now this was a 2-piece splitter. I didn't take it off because I wanted to make this video for you guys. So we're like, I don't know if it was the wind, but I had a feeling that this was gonna happen only because how flimsy the front was. There wasn't really like, it wasn't really sturdy. And when I checked the part from EOS that they sent me, it's completely sturdy. Like this right here is flimsy. This right here is really flimsy. And I'm gonna show you guys a part from EOS, from my sponsor. And you know, it messed up my underglow. As you guys can see, I'm really upset about that. Oh, that's why I haven't really been driving this car, is because I gotta do some repairs on it. But I do have my other flare in the back because this was about to come off as well. And don't get me wrong, you guys, as you can see, the 3M sticks to this really good. But guess what? It wasn't sticking very well to the actual fender flare. And I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly why. You know, the car, like I said, it's a beautiful car. I'm gonna have to wash it because I don't want to mess up my wrap. I'm gonna have to rewrap some things. Also, this right here is messed up. I'm gonna rewrap this because I never bolted down the bumper yet. So this kind of, the bumper been, you know, rubbing, lifting up my wrap, which I'm gonna fix that. And then what else? Other than that, man, that's pretty much about it. You know what I'm saying? Besides, I lost my flare over there, and I lost my rear diffuser. And I know a lot of you guys are waiting for that motor build. Motor build is coming. I just been dealing with a lot because I had to get this back situated, and you know, it's a pain because I drove this car like every day, which I'm not gonna drive it every day no more. I'm just gonna have it parked, you know what I'm saying, and just drive it every now and then and just drive my daily because I can't drive this car every single day. So, but yeah, I don't really think it's because I need to cut the flare. I think because my suspension is bad, because this thing bounces a lot. Like when I go over speed bumps, you can tell when your shocks are bad because it bounces a lot. And one day I'm gonna show you guys a demonstration on a short on why I know my shocks are bad, because when I go over like a little hill, my rear just drops extremely. It just drops. Like, it's crazy. We're getting into this trunk. I ain't gonna show you inside the trunk because it's messy right now. Oh damn, I forgot the key. This is another sign. Like, if you guys can see right here, it's not really rubbing as much If you guys can see on my tire, it's not rubbing as much. Go back on this side, this thing is rubbing. And I feel like this side is bad because when I do the measurements, this side I think is 2 inches and the other side is 3 inches. So, man, look, you guys can't lie, man. I built this car. This is a badass vehicle. This junk looks dope. You know what I'm saying? I just got to do some minor repairs, fix my underglow and stuff like that on this car. So, and when I do, I'm going to start on the motor because I don't want to be wanting to do too many things at one time to where I'm falling behind because I'm trying to play catch up. So you guys just be patient with me. I'm just giving you guys an update. When you guys do your Widebody, do the method that I showed you. Because see, look, this ain't coming off. This is doing it the Vicris way. This ain't coming off. This is doing it the Vicris way. Let me show you guys the other side. This is doing it my way. If you guys watch my videos, like, this thing can't come off. But this is doing it the Vicris way, and this is why I did it like this. I knew it was gonna mess up, but this is the reason why I do these videos, so you guys don't have that same problem. Do it the way that I did it, and you won't have that problem. Your junk will sit like OEM, okay? Your junk will sit just like OEM. Same over this side, right here. If you guys notice, this right here ain't going nowhere because I did it that way. I did it my way. So anytime you guys get this kit, don't just get no damn 3M and just stick it on there. You got to do some JB welding and stuff like that, because if you're gonna go the cheap route, just stick it on there, you're gonna lose a flare. And I'm gonna tell you guys like this: I lost a flare. Okay, I lost a flare. You guys can see it; it's not on there, and I'll literally have to order a set. So just, you know what I'm saying, just be mindful, don't rush it. Like I said, I made these videos so you guys don't make those same mistakes that I did. So make sure you guys take your time and put it on there right. Because like I said, this junk fell off doing it the Vicris way, because there's no way this thing should have came off in the way that they explain it. I don't like when you're making videos, I get it. Kids want to be a part of it, but come on. Gotta have some type of respect when I'm making a video. Gotta have some type of respect. I love the kids, but you know what I'm saying? Just have some respect. If you're watching this, just have some little bit of respect. I'm trying to make this video. But yeah, overall, man, you guys see it. Black Panther, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to make this thing into a beast. And a lot of people don't believe me. They didn't believe me in the beginning. But this is just what I've been dealing with. You feel me? This is just what I've been dealing with. So I'm about to go ahead and take you guys with me to go watch this and make this thing all pretty again. All right, you guys, so check it out, man. Look, I went ahead and washed the car and all that stuff. Looking good. I ain't gonna lie, man. We're gonna talk about that in another video. But this is why you guys, you know what I'm saying, need to cut your fenders right here, which I'm gonna have to do because I am gonna drop this car. I know you guys are waiting on the engine. A lot of y'all asking why I got a temp tag. You'll know why later on. But yeah, man, it's all cleaned up. You're looking good. Look, man, look, I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. Look, I've been dealing with a lot of stuff, man. I've been dealing with a lot of stuff. And, you know, personal life matters, you know what I'm saying? But I'm back. I'm back in full effect. And I'm about to come harder. Give you guys a little walkthrough. As you guys can see, I got a new splitter for the front. And I got some side skirts. But the only thing is, with the side skirts, it says SRT. And this ain't a complete SRT yet. But I'm still gonna install it because of my sponsorship. That's why I was really debating on installing it, but I'm gonna install it anyway, I don't care. That's pretty much about it. I ain't do nothing new. As I told you guys before, I lost my red diffuser, and that's pretty much about it. So I want you guys to know, man, I did not forget about you guys, man. I'm coming into full effect, about to drop some crazy banger videos and all that good stuff. So you guys just make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And oh yeah, me and Barbie, we're gonna be doing a lot of videos together. So if you guys wanna see videos of me and her, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Think about making a separate channel for that. But yeah, man, make sure you guys just stay tuned. I appreciate all you guys, the ones who still been rocking with me. I didn't forget about you, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.